What's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're talking travel reward credit cards. Today we're talking about my go-to cards. We're going to talk about the card that I use the most. I get asked this all the time, like, what's your go-to card? Which card do you use the most? Which card would you recommend? All those different questions always come out. But first off, on this channel, we talk about travel, exploration, and photography. If that sounds like something interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon so you can get future updates on my videos. Okay, so today we're going to talk about my card, my go-to card, and that is the Chase Sapphire Reserve. That card, I use it for pretty much everything. Okay, I eat out a lot, so I get that 3 points for every dollar spent at restaurants. I also travel. I try to travel as much as possible, so I use that, get the 3 points for every dollar spent on travel. And the travel credit is amazing. Getting that $300 travel credit at the beginning of the year, that's when I start setting up my trips for the year. And a lot of time, the last 2 years, I've booked my stuff and didn't even think about the travel credit, booked my stuff using the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and I get that $300 credit. It's always nice when you look and you see, oh, wow, I got $300 credit because I forget about it. So it's kind of a surprise. So I really like that. I also like using the lounge access. So they have Priority Pass Lounge, so you can get lounge access pretty much. Most airports you can get lounge access. And I have not done this yet, but I will do it really soon. They have restaurants now that are tied into Priority Pass. So at LAX, at the Los Angeles airport, they have PF Chang. So I will be getting there. I just need to get there early enough. My last couple of trips, I've been getting there just right in time, like maybe 20, 30 minutes to spare. So I don't have enough time to sit down and have a meal. But I will make it a point to get there a little earlier so I have some time so I can sit down, get a meal. So I'll use that, and you get that $30 credit. I mean, that's amazing, right? So that is definitely my go-to card. All the other little perks there. If I want to rent a car, I have primary insurance with the card. There's just so many different little benefits, little perks that card has that I really like. So that's my go-to card. That's the one that I use the most. So when you guys ask, if you guys have that question, just play this video. That's the card that I use. What I recommend it for everyone. Now, if you're just starting out, I wouldn't recommend it. There's a learning curve, right? It's a $450 annual fee card. So not everyone's comfortable paying $450, especially if they don't know that they want to be serious about this. If you're not sure that you want to be serious about it, maybe get the Venture card or maybe get the Chase Sapphire Preferred card and just kind of feel it out and see if you like doing the travel points and stuff. Because some people do get frustrated. They get all these points and they don't know what to do with them. They don't know how to use them. So you want to make sure that this is something that you want to do. But if you have a couple of cards already and you're thinking about getting that Chase Sapphire Reserve, you should jump on it. It's a great card to get. All right, so I'd love to know what you guys think, though. What's your go-to card? Please post in the comments below. Please give me the pros and cons of the card. Please let me know if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, if you like it, if you would recommend it to others. Also, discuss that in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.